Tesla's hands-free calling system uses Bluetooth to connect your smartphone, allowing you to make and receive calls safely while driving. This video will guide you through the setup process and highlight key features. As of December 2025, Tesla's system is reliable and integrated into the car's infotainment, enhancing safety and convenience. Tesla's system does not support Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which limits native app integrations, but Bluetooth allows direct access to phone contacts and call logs. To begin pairing your phone, tap Controls on your Tesla's touchscreen, then select Bluetooth and choose Add New Device. Next, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Pull down the Settings menu and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. From the available devices list, select your Tesla. Confirm the pairing on both your phone and the Tesla touchscreen when prompted. The pairing process should complete in less than 2 minutes. Ensure your phone runs Android 8 Plus or iOS 14 Plus for optimal compatibility. Once your phone is paired with your Tesla, making a call is straightforward. You can initiate calls directly from the touchscreen interface. Alternatively, use the buttons on your steering wheel to make or answer calls without taking your hands off the wheel. The most convenient way is using voice commands. Simply say, "Call contact name" to Tesla's voice assistant. For example, "Hey Tesla, call Mom" will initiate the call hands-free. When receiving an incoming call, the system displays a notification on the touchscreen. You can answer using the touchscreen, steering wheel buttons, or by saying "Answer." For safety, the system automatically mutes calls when autopilot or full self-driving is engaged, ensuring the driver remains focused on the road. Tesla's AI supports natural language processing, allowing for intuitive voice commands. You can say phrases like, "Hey Tesla, call Mom" to initiate calls. The system recognizes various accents and contexts with high accuracy. Tesla's AI can now prioritize emergency contacts or recent callers via voice prompts, so be aware of the system learning your habits. If you experience dropped calls or pairing issues with Tesla's hands-free calling, here are the common troubleshooting steps. First, restart your Tesla vehicle to reset all connections. Next, repair your device through the Bluetooth settings. Go to Controls, select Bluetooth, and choose Add New Device. Ensure your phone's software is up to date, as updates can cause Bluetooth connectivity problems. Check for and install any available updates. Finally, check Tesla's website or app to see if there are any system updates available for your vehicle. Tesla's hands-free calling enhances safety by minimizing distractions while driving. The system automatically mutes calls during autopilot or full self-driving modes to keep your focus on the road. It complies with hands-free laws in most jurisdictions, ensuring legal and safe driving practices. A 2024 AAA study found that hands-free calling reduces accident risk by 30% compared to handheld phones. Looking ahead, Tesla's hands-free calling technology is evolving with several key trends. AI-driven predictive calling uses machine learning to suggest contacts based on your driving habits, time of day, and location. Multi-device pairing allows up to 3 phones to connect to a single vehicle, making it ideal for families or shared cars. Integration with 5G and satellite technology, including Tesla's Starlink, ensures reliable calling even in areas with poor cellular coverage. Enhanced data protection features, encrypted Bluetooth connections, and stronger privacy protocols to keep your information secure. Experts praise Tesla's voice system for its natural interaction, making calling as intuitive as talking to a friend. As of 2025, 78% of Tesla owners use hands-free calling regularly, higher than the industry average for EVs, according to a J.D. Power survey. Tesla's user data shows a 92% call success rate over Bluetooth. Check Tesla's official app or website for the latest features, as details may vary by model and region.